Welcome everyone. You're watching Life Untouched. Make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any important updates. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to back up or save data on your Samsung devices using a smart switch. First of all, make sure to download Smart Switch on both your devices, handset and this PC or laptop. So once it's downloaded, connect your phone to your PC using USB cable. Open Smart Switch on both devices. Once the connection is established, you'll see backup, restore and these options right here. So click on backup. This will back up all your data including your SIM card and everything except the apps. So once the backup is done, it would be stored on this C drive. This could come handy when you are resetting your phone or installing other firmwares. So whenever you want to restore your data, you can simply connect your phone back and turn on smart switch and click on restore. That will restore all your data to your device. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.